Get ready to take your bass game to higher levels of harder-hitting bass immersion with HEW Elite Series subwoofers. Powered by a 500-watt Class D amplifier and a ported and tuned MDF enclosure. Choose between 10, 8, and 6-inch powered subwoofer system models. These Elite Series dual-voice, coil 4-ohm subwoofers come in a compact enclosure powered with a built-in amplifier and deliver higher bass gains that bring consistent bumps and thumps throughout every song. Feel your bass like never before with HEW performance. Begin by removing the negative terminal at the vehicle's battery. Bring the power wire of your choosing up to the battery. Then, remove the fuse from the fuse holder. Remove the nut from the positive battery terminal. Place the power wire at the positive battery terminal and reinstall the previously removed nut. Then, place the battery cover back into place. Now at the subwoofer, loosen the 3 terminals using an Allen key. Next, install the black ground wire in the location labeled GND for ground. Then use the Allen key to secure the connection to the sub. Next, we'll install the power wire to the sub. Install the red power wire in the location labeled 12V for power. Then use the Allen key to secure the connection to the sub. Now, we can install the blue remote turn-on wire to the terminal labeled REEM power. Next, use the Allen key to secure the connection to the sub. Install the RCA wires in the sub. The red wire is for right and the black wire is for the left. Next, install the bass remote wire to the spot labeled P1 on the sub and mount your bass remote knob at a location of your choosing. Back in the engine bay, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Reinstall the fuse into the fuse holder. Zip tie it down away from any heat or moving components. Finally, once powered on, tune the subwoofer for optimal sound. And with that, your subwoofer is successfully installed. Thanks for watching.